I will show you how to preserve fresh peppers for the winter. I'll wash them first. I will cut the peppers and remove the seeds. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I cut the pepper and now I will prepare the marinade. I pour 1 liter of water into the pot. I add 4 spoons of sugar, 2½ spoons of salt, 5 spoons of vinegar 9%, a few grains of pepper, 200 milliliters of vegetable oil. I put the pan on the stove. I will stir and wait for the marinade to boil. While I wait for the marinade to boil, I will chop 6 cloves of garlic. The marinade has boiled and I put the pepper in the boiled marinade. The marinade cooled down because we added the paprika. I'll wait for it to boil again. I cook the pepper for 2 to 3 minutes. I want the peppers to soften so I can stack them in the jar more easily. After a few minutes of cooking, I remove the paprika into a bowl. I put garlic between the layers of peppers. We'll need the marinade later, and now I'm going to chop the parsley. Now I need clean and washed jars. I thin the paprika in jars. I will add parsley. I will continue to arrange the peppers. Do not fill the jars to the top. I will fill the jars with marinade. Pour the marinade to cover the peppers. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth at the bottom of the pan. I arrange the jars in the pot. I pour hot water up to the height of the lid. I put the pot on the stove and pasteurize it for 30 minutes from the moment the water boils. Pasteurization is a process at 80 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes of pasteurization, I will remove the jars from the pot. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. Leave the jars to cool gradually. After that, store them in a dark and cool place. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart and a like in the comment. Thanks, friends.